In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text on your Wix website with no code. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you should land on your site's main dashboard. If you're not already in the setup area, just look to the left-hand panel and click on the option that takes you into your site's setup and editing area. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where you can actually design and customize your website. Inside the editor, focus on the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different icons. Find the one with a plus symbol called Add Elements and click it. A new panel will slide out. From here, choose Text and then look for the option called Text Marquee. This is Wix's built-in scrolling text element. You'll see a variety of marquee styles to choose from, each with different looks and layouts. Click on the style that you like best and it will automatically be added to your page. Once the marquee text is on your site, click on it to select it. You'll see a small button or label that says Change Text. Click that and a small pop-up will appear where you can edit the actual words that will scroll across the screen. Type in whatever message you want your visitors to see, such as announcements, promotions, or important updates. With the marquee still selected, look for the design icon, usually represented by a small paintbrush. Click that and another pop-up will appear with three main sections on the left. The first section is text, which lets you change things like font, size, color, and alignment, so you can match the scrolling text to your site's branding. The second section is separator. This controls the symbol or shape that appears between repeated pieces of text, along with its color and size. You can use simple dots, lines, or other shapes to create a clean visual rhythm. The third section is movement. Here you can adjust the scrolling speed, choose the direction the text moves in, and enable pause on hover, which stops the animation when someone moves their cursor over the text. Right now, inside the editor, the text might look like it's just sitting there, not moving. That's normal. To see the actual animation, go to the top right of the editor and click Preview. Give it a moment to load your site preview. Once it's ready, you'll see your horizontal scrolling text moving across the screen with your chosen style, separator, and movement settings. And that's it. You've just created scrolling text on your Wix website without writing a single line of code.